Hello everyone, it is your girl Linda Sims, the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I am back to teach you a new line dance, getting you ready for the NOLA Southern Experience, July the 11th through the 14th, 2024. I want to give a shout out to everyone that registered. We are sold out. Thank you so very kindly for your support. Please go over to our website. We have the itinerary and also the playlist at www.LMIUNOLA.com. This is the instructional. If you're interested in the dance along, I'll post it at the end. As a friendly reminder, if you're interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. The name of this dance is Rok, and it's a four-wall dance that moves counterclockwise. And let's go. So we're going to start on this wall right here. So stand on this side, looking in this direction. We're going to start with 8 and. So the weight is on the left. We're going to go across 8 and. 8 and. Then we're going to rock up. Right, left, right. Tap left, then rock up on the left. Left, right, left, tap right. And that's your first 8 count, okay? The weight is on your left. 8 and 1, 2, 3, tap 4, up 5, 6, 7, tap 8, okay? Now we're gonna rock. So the weight is on the left, the right heel is up. We're gonna rock. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to step on 5, do a quarter turn with our right shoulder coming forward, and we're going to tick. The right leg is going to come up. We're going to come down and come back to this wall. So let me show you how it looks from this direction. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step on 5, turn on 6, tick, come down, and then come back in this direction, this wall here. So it's all about rocking, quarter turn forward, lift and tick, and then a quarter turn back. All right, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. And end on the left. Again, right, left, right, left, right, left, tick, right, left. Okay, so that's what we're going to do. So let's go back to 8 and. The weight is on our left. We start on 8 and with cross tap. Tap on that right, then go rock up. Push and pull up on the right. Tap left, push and pull on the left. Tap right, and then start your rock. 5, 6, 7, 8 and. 1, 2, 3, tap 4, left 5, 6, 7, tap 8, rock 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Did you get it? So that left shoulder is going forward and back, just a quarter turn. Right, left, right shoulder forward, tick, step on your left, right tick on that right. That right comes up, the right comes down, and that left shoulder come back to this wall. Okay? Now you're going to shuffle right, shuffle left. Right, left, right, left, right, left. To add on, real simple, out and in on the right, and out and in on the left. So what did we do? After we rock for 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Step 5, turn 6, tick 7, back 8, shuffle 1 and 2, left 3 and 4, out 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's put all of it together from the top. 8 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, tap 4, left 5, 6, 7, tap 8, rock 1, 2, 3, 4, turn 5, step 6, tick 7 and 8, shuffle 1 and 2, shuffle 3 and 4, out and in, 5, 6, 7, 8. From here, We're gonna paddle forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're gonna dip. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you just dip. 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, and that's the end of the dance. The dance move counterclockwise for a wall dance. So let's put it together. So what did we do? Let's take it from here. We did out and in, out and in. We paddle, 2, 3, 4, dip, dip, dip. Dip, dip, dip. Yes. Dip, dip, dip. So we dip on the left and then our weight winds up on the left. Left, right, left. Okay, then you start over again. See how my heel is up? 8 and. All right, let's put it together. 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. Remember, remember when you start that weight, your weight must be shift to the left. 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, tap 4, left 5, 6, 7, tap 8, rock 1, 2, 3, 4, turn 5, tick 6 and 7, back 8, shuffle 1 and 2, left 3 and 4, out and in 5, 6, 7, 8, shoulder forward 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and. Yeah, so you go 5, 6, 7, 8 and. So that's why you go left, right, left. You only do it 3 times. And this finishes your 8 and. 5, 6, 7, 8 and. Okay? So you do it 3 times, and you finish with 8 and. And that's your transition into your 1. All right? So let's do it from here. 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, tap 4, left 5, 6, 7, tap 8, rock 1, 2, 3, 4, step 5, turn 6, tick 7, back 8, shuffle 1 and 2, left 3 and 4, out and in, 5, 6, 7, paddle around, 1, 2, 3, 4, dip 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, rock 1, 2, 3, 4, step 5, then 6, tick 7, 8, shuffle 1 and 2, left 3 and 4, out and in, 5, 6, 7, paddle around, 1, 2, 3, 4, dip left, 5, 6, 7, 8 and. That's it. Let's do it from this wall so we can dance together and do it together without looking back at the camera, okay? That's the dance. 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, step 5, turn 6, tick 7, back 8, shuffle 1 and 2, left 3 and 4, out and in, 5, 6, 7, paddle around, 1, 2, 3, 4, dip 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, tap 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, rock 1, 2, 3, 4, step 5, 6, tick 7, 8, shuffle 1 and 2, left 3 and 4, out 5, 6, 7, tap around, 1, 2, 3, 4, dip 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. That's it. Rock, R-O-C. Now, click on this video right here and we're going to dance together. And we're definitely going to dance at the NOLA Southern Experience. Thank you so kindly, everyone, for your support. Go over to the website and check out the playlist and also the entire playlist. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Hooded teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.